Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once your profile opens, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, find and select the option called General. Inside the General section, you will see an option named Playback and Feeds. Tap on it and then turn the option off. This setting will prevent shorts from automatically running in your feed. Even though this does not remove the Shorts tab completely, it stops them from appearing automatically while you scroll through your homepage or subscriptions. This method works well for anyone who wants to focus on regular videos without constantly seeing shorts popping up. Another way to reduce shorts is by giving feedback directly in the Shorts section. When you see a Shorts section, tap the three-dot menu next to it and select See Fewer Shorts. Doing this repeatedly will train YouTube's algorithm to show fewer shorts in your feed over time. Thanks for watching.